I'm here with a new friend of mine, Arlie. Um, we helped him take a problem property off of his hands.
That's for sure.
All right. So, Arlie, what was the process like working with us?
Well, it was easy. Getting hold of you was
Okay.
easy. You return my phone calls, very polite, very courteous. You just took things every step of the way. It was simple, and I am so glad to have met you. So,
Hey, likewise. So glad to have met you also. So, how long did the process take?
um, from day one, slightly over a month.
Okay.
Because I know we had filled out the paperwork for the 28th, but of September. It took a little bit longer than that, but mostly because we were waiting on the title company. It wasn't anything
Right.
that you and I had anything to do with. But I mean, in and out, and great. I'm happy with the results.
Okay, great. Would you recommend this to anybody?
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely. Yeah, if you have a property that you're needing off your hands and you've held on to this and don't know what to do, give my friend Mackenzie a call.
Well,
He'll
thank
take
you,
care of
Arlie.
you.
Thank
Absolutely.
you, Arlie. Thank you. Well, that's pretty much it. Got a live testimonial right here from a satisfied customer. We thank you all for viewing. And if you have any questions, give us a shout. Either go to the website or give us a call. The number should be below in the link. And thank you very much. And you take care, Arlie. Enjoy the
You
rest
too.
of your day.
You too.